Hi and welcome to our tutorial on how to make money online with ChatGPT. First, let's start with a quick overview of what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a chatbot that uses advanced machine learning techniques to generate responses to user input in real time. It's a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including customer service, lead generation, and more. Now, let's talk about how you can use ChatGPT to make money online. There are several ways to do this, but we'll focus on a few of the most popular options. Offer chatbot services to businesses. Many businesses are interested in using chatbots to improve customer service or generate leads, but they may not have the technical expertise or resources to build their own. By offering ChatGPT-based chatbot services to businesses, you can create a lucrative income stream. This can be a great way to leverage your expertise in chatbot development and create a passive income stream. Use ChatGPT to generate content for your own website or blog. ChatGPT can be used to generate unique content for your own website or blog, which can be monetized through advertising, sponsored content, or other means. Now that you have a general idea of how to make money with ChatGPT, let's dive into the specifics of how to get started. Choose a use case for your ChatGPT chatbot. There are many different ways to use ChatGPT, so it's important to choose a use case that aligns with your interests and expertise. Some popular options include customer service, lead generation, content creation, and more. Set up your ChatGPT account. To use ChatGPT, you'll need to sign up for an account on the ChatGPT website. This is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. Train your ChatGPT chatbot. To get the most out of ChatGPT, you'll need to train your chatbot with specific responses and behaviors. This can be done through the ChatGPT platform or by using external tools like chatbot training software. Launch your ChatGPT chatbot. Once you've trained your chatbot and set it up to meet your specific needs, it's time to launch it and start making money. You can do this by integrating your chatbot into your own website or by offering it as a service to businesses or individuals. That's it. With these simple steps, you can start using ChatGPT to make money online. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful.